Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nilpari Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So, dear students, welcome to my online class. I'm your science teacher. Today, I discuss with you Chapter 10, Weather and Climates. So, dear, in your last class, I discussed with you weather observation, cause of weather change, which is including temperature change, wind, cloud and rain, and weather and climate in our life. So my dear students, today I discuss with you climate. Please take your science book, open your book page number 75. So dear students, do you know what is climate? Climate is the general condition of weather of a place for many years. I repeat it again. Climate is the general condition of weather of a place for many years. Dear students, in your textbook page number 75, you can see an activity which is distribution of temperature on the earth. What to do? Number 1, make a table like the one shown below. Here is 2 column, country and mean temperature, degree Celsius. So country, Dhaka, Bangladesh, mean temperature 26. Number 2, the picture below shows the distribution of temperature on the earth. Dear students, you can see a picture of temperature on the earth in your textbook, page number 75. Looking at the picture below, make a list of your findings about temperature distribution in the table. Share your idea with your parents or brothers or sisters. You can see in the picture Equator, Johannesburg, New York City, Moscow, Dhaka. So you have to find out temperature distribution in the table. So you have to make it. You have to make the table like your textbook. So please turn over your page. Dear students, weather may change every day, but there is a usual weather pattern. We call this usual weather pattern as our climate. Climate is the average weather condition on an area for many years. The annual average temperature of Dhaka in Bangladesh is 26 degrees Celsius. In general, the climate of Bangladesh is classified as hot and humid climate. Russia is situated to the farthest north of Bangladesh. This country is extremely cold in the most of the time of the year. The annual average temperature of Moscow in Russia is 60 degrees Celsius. The climate of Russia is classified as cold climate. So dear students, you can see a table in your textbook, page number 76. Yearly and monthly mean temperature at Dhaka and Moscow. So here is month column, month row, city column, Dhaka and city row, Dhaka and Moscow. So month January, Dhaka 19, and Moscow -7. In February, Dhaka 22, Moscow -7. In Dhaka, March 27, Moscow -1. In April, Dhaka 29, Moscow 7. In Dhaka, in April 29 and Moscow 7. In April, in May 29, Dhaka and Moscow 13. In July, Dhaka 29, June Dhaka 29, Moscow 17. July Dhaka 29, Moscow 19. In August, Dhaka 29 temperature and Moscow 17 temperature. In September, Dhaka 29 temperature, Moscow 11. In October 27, Dhaka, Moscow 6. In November, Dhaka 24 and Moscow -1. In December, Dhaka 20 and December, Moscow -5. So average temperature in Dhaka 26 and average temperature of Moscow only 6. So dear students, climate in particular area depends mainly on area's latitude, its latitude and distance from the sea. The latitude is the distance from the equator. Near the equator, the sun's rays shine straight down. The sun warms the surface of the earth most strongly at or near equator. As a result, places near the equator become the warmest places. As the surface of the earth is curved, places further away from the equator are warmed much less strongly by the sun, and so they are colder. The higher the latitude, the colder the climate is. So dear students, you can see a picture in your textbook, page number 76, latitude and climate. North Pole and South Pole. You can see the Earth equator. So in your textbook, page number 77, you can see a picture of factors affecting climate. You can see distance from the sea, areas, altitude from the sea level. So dear students, climate is the changes of usual weather pattern in a certain area. Climate can also be described as the average weather condition of a certain area for a long period of time. Therefore, we can predict daily weather based on the experience and knowledge of climate on our place. Our personal prediction may not always correct. That is because weather is changing all the time. Weather and climate are not the same, so there is a close relation between them. Weather is the condition of sky and the atmosphere of a place for a short time. Climate is the general condition of weather of a place for many years. Climatologically, the rainy season of Bangladesh starts in the middle of June, beginning of Ashar, and ends in August, which is Shravan and Bhadra. The onset date of monsoon rain changes every year. However, we do know the probable time when the rainy season starts from our experience about climate. So dear students, now I discuss with you climate of Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, there are 6 seasons such as summer, the rainy season, early autumn, late autumn, winter and spring. In Bangladesh, summer consists of Boishakh and Jyeshtha, and it is the warmest season of the year. The rainy season consists of Ashar and Shravan, and it comes with heavy rainfall. Early autumn consists of Bhadra and Ashwin. White and fluffy clouds are seen in the sky in this season. Kartik and Agrahayan are the late autumn. This is the season of harvest. Posh and Magh are winter when we usually feel cold in Bangladesh. Then gradually the cold is relieved and the weather is getting warmer in spring months, Falgun and Chaitra. This is the usual pattern of Bangladesh climate. Year after year, we are experiencing the same climate. Dear students, you can see the picture of six seasons of Bangladesh. First picture is summer, second rainy, then early autumn, and late autumn, winter, and spring. So, dear students, seasonal pattern in Bangladesh is different from other countries in the northern hemisphere. In other countries, there is only 4 seasons. I repeat it again, my dear students. Seasonal pattern in Bangladesh is different from other countries in the northern hemisphere. In other countries, there is only 4 seasons, and our country has 6 seasons. So, in other countries, there is only 4 seasons, which is summer, autumn, winter, and spring. In June to August, September to November, December to February, and March to May, respectively. So, dear students, no more today. Please note down today's homework with page 75 to 77. So, dear students, if you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.